Distraction is the worst enemy of your vision. You think a joke? Alright. Greetings to all your viewers and subscribers. Do give thumbs up passing through. Here comes another review. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Please and thanks. Your support is highly appreciated.
Yes, good morning my people, my fans. You don't know, Sunday 26, you see me? January 2020, so big up everyone. I don't know, Lionfoot, I get the reasoning, I get the upliftment message them, you know what I mean, I get the truth and rights, you know what I mean. Yeah, we just try to speak the opinion fair and square and uplift on you see me. So I say distraction is the worst enemy of your vision. You know, just imagine you're driving your car and you answer your phone and dip on your phone and now focus on the road, you might end up in an accident. See? Distraction. So I say, yeah. You have a next definition of this vision. You know, you can be have a aim and a target where you want to reach in life, you know, accomplish your dreams. But through your focus, you have some bad mind people out there, you know. You see my friends and families, you know, them don't want to see you progress, you know, and fly past them, you know. So them try to distract you. You know what I mean? So that's why I say distraction is the worst enemy of your vision. So if you just stay focused, don't let them dry you out. Keep your eyes on the prize, you know what I mean? And take your time and do it. You see, don't let nobody dry you out. Just focus, because some people know want you accomplish your vision or your dream, your aims, your aspiration. See, so them do enough things to try to distract you. Them just come and try to pick worried for no reason. Then take set pan you, if you see you retaliate, you know what I mean? And then when you retaliate now, it's like you lose, you know? You see me? But we don't believe in a losing, we believe in a winning and keep trying. You see me? So just stay focused, my people. Don't make nobody draw you out. A Lionfoot. And remember, distraction is the worst enemy of your vision. So just stay focused. Until next time, I hope this little word that inspire you. A Lionfoot.